that little you can for me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is blood shoes. Go do what a hoop. Let's start now and see Cardi B. You know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, I don't bother with these. Don't let these bother me. They see pictures, they say go. Hi guys, so I wanted to show you what this last denim tutorial is all about. So if you are living under a rock, then you don't know what's going on, but as you can see, we all know who that is. But it's not about who that is, it's about what she is wearing. This jacket is a Moschino floral jacket with floral silk flowers all over that joint. So if you want to see how I get down with denim, then you need to keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first item that I have is a jacket that I was willing to sacrifice for this tutorial. I have pearls just in case I might want to put that thing on it. Some scissors just in case you might need it. Your hot glue gun and your hot glue gun sticks. But the most important thing is, yeah, that's right, boo, that's right. You're going to need them flowers. So of course I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, from a Family Dollar, from a different few places. So the main thing, of course they didn't come like this, they came with stems. So what you want to do is detach all of the flowers from the stems, and they usually have this small piece of plastic that, you know, that was sticking on the stem, and we want to just cut it off. So once we do that to all the flowers, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was I wanted my jacket cropped. So what I did was I tried it on and I cut it to my liking. As usual, I did not measure, I just eyeballed it using my scissors and cropping the jacket. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the seam back on there or not. If I do, I will show you. And remember, this is a no-sew method, so that's what's going to be so fun about this. So I have an abundance of silk flowers of all different kinds of colors and variations, and I have put the back of the jacket down flat. So I want the flowers on the back of my jacket. I don't want it all in the front and back, but I also want it on the sleeves. So I have my jacket spread out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flowers and I'm going to strategically put them where I think I might be. Where I want to put the flowers at, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have strategically placed the flowers on the back of the jacket from elbow to elbow across the expanse of the jacket in the pattern or color scheme that I want to do, especially with my big helper, my daughter. So I am going to hot glue gun all of this down now that I have it placed where I want, and when I'm done I will show you the finished result. So you want to make sure that you use a generous amount of your glue. Be careful because the hot glue gun is what, guys? You know it, it's hot. But you want to make sure that these flowers stay. I would suggest putting the bigger ones on first and then working around the big ones with the smaller flowers. So that's a little tip for you. Okay guys, I wanted my jacket to be cropped, so I already had cut the bottom portion of this seam part of my jacket, and I am going to reattach it, and then I'll show y'all the final result. And all I'm doing is hot glue gunning because this is all a no glue method. Just in case you guys was wondering how I'm doing this, I am gluing the very edge of the waist part of the jeans, and of course I'm doing it in increments. Be careful, that glue is hot. And since I have already put my flowers down, I'm just folding the petals away. If I'm making you understand that, good. And then pinching the seam together like this. So let me show you one more time. I am doing that outer seam here, and of course I'm doing it in small increments,
And if I have petals in the way, because this is the back of the jacket, I just fold them out of my way. And then I just pinch the material together like so. And this is what it's going to look like when it's dry. This is a close-up of what the back of the jacket is going to look like with the waistband.
These expensive, these is red bottoms. Honestly, don't give a about who in front of me. Just to mistakes in 6 months, work breaking as hard as me. I don't bother with these, don't let these bother me. They see pictures, they say go. Some who they trying to be. Look, I might just sit in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe. My feel like a lake. He wanna do with his face. I'm like, okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and LeBron.